Hello friend, welcome to my video. In this video I will introduce another useful application that can be installed on Unraid, which is Omada Controller. I will leave the Unraid link in the description for your reference. Omada Controller is software that is used to manage the TP-Link device, include EAP, switch, and gateway. Installation will take a few minutes with a few clicks. Once installed, you will find the Omada Controller in the Docker menu. Now set up the Omada Controller for the first time. Omada Controller will give suggestions, you just need to choose the most suitable one. Choosing the place to install TP-Link devices. Next, set the Wi-Fi network name and password. Set up an administrator account for the Omada Controller system. Here's an overview of what you've set up, which will help you decide what to modify. You will be redirected to the login page to the Omada Controller system. Please use the admin account created in the previous step. In this section, you will be introduced to the software's features and how to use it. In the menu on the left, select Devices. Here you add the TP-Link devices you want to manage. In this video I have a TP-Link access point and I will add it to my Omada Controller. Within a few minutes, the TP-Link access point device will be configured with the Wi-Fi network name and password as set up in the previous step. If you need to edit the Wi-Fi network name or password or more, click Settings in the bottom left menu. Next we will set up allowing management of TP-Link devices from anywhere with TP-Link Cloud setup. You create yourself a free TP-Link Cloud account and fill them in the Omada Controller Cloud Access field. As you have seen, the Omada Controller system has been connected to the cloud. You can completely monitor and manage them from anywhere. You can even monitor and manage TP-Link devices from your smartphone. As always, if you found this post useful, then subscribe to my YouTube channel. Leave your questions in the comment section down below.